Hey guys, this is me Anushka. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know that I love acting and I have been in this profession for about 9 years. So naturally, since a very young age, my hair has went through different kinds of styling, like hairstyling tools, treatments, colors. So my hair has genuinely seen it all. Which is why I have also learned from a very young age to give myself and my hair the best of products for it to heal, grow and be healthy. But any self-care journey, be fitness, skin or hair, they all need persistence and constant care, which can be very difficult. So some days I've had my hair on fleek, but because recently I've been traveling and shooting constantly, I've had a few bad hair days. So I did a lot of research again and I came across a product. It's called Biolard Smooth Proof, which is a professional deep smoothing 6-in-1 serum. The 6 benefits of this product is that it controls frizz, smoothens rough ends, protects from humidity, adds instant shine, and nourishes dry hair, instantly detangles. So initially I was very curious when I read the claims of this product. But after I applied this serum, my hair feels like I just came back from the salon. And imagine having that every day on your head with a mere cost of Rs 300. So this is a 100 ml bottle which you get for Rs 300. It has avocado and grapeseed oil which nourishes your hair and strengthens it so that all the split ends are gone and it makes it healthy. So it's very easy to apply. All I do is I take 2 drops of this serum and I'm going to just mix it on my palm. And because I have really long hair, so I apply from the mid-length. Always remember to put it from the mid-length to the ends. Ends are very important, but never apply serum on the scalp. Serum should be only applied from the mid-length to your ends. So I've applied the serum and my hair feels so smooth and shiny. I love the shine and see my hands are just going through my hair without any knots or anything. It feels super amazing and there's bounce in my hair after this serum. I really love this serum because of the shine, because it is making my hair look healthier and very bouncy. The best part about this serum is that it doesn't only make your hair smooth and soft, it also repairs your hair. So when you use it constantly over a few weeks, you will see more results. My favorite part about the serum is that it makes my hair frizz-free, so my hair is very smooth. Frizzy hair looks very bad and very damaged, and because of this serum, my hair looks very smooth and soft. This serum also protects your hair from humidity, and I live in Mumbai. You all know that how much humidity Mumbai has. So whenever you're going out, you're in a rush, you're going for office or a meeting, and then later you have a party, all you have to do is just take this serum in your bag and apply 2 drops of it, and it just works like magic. Your hair just feels great and it just feels like you've come out of a salon. Another good thing about this serum is that you can use it however you want. I use this serum after taking a shower and before blow drying my hair. So it works like a heat protector for me. So you can also use that as a heat protector. So whenever you're styling your hair with curling iron or a 3-tone or straightener, whatever, it will work as a heat protector for you. If you want to see the full potential of this serum, you can also buy the Biolard shampoo and the conditioner. This shampoo you can get it for Rs 400 and you get 400 ml of this product. And the conditioner costs you around Rs 335 and you get 196 grams of it. I really love the shampoo and conditioner because it makes your hair frizz-free. It contains camellia which makes your hair sleeker and smoother. The best part is that it's paraben free, so you can use the shampoo and conditioner. It will detangle your hair and defrizzen it. So I really love the products. So guys, I hope this video will help you solve all your hair problems like dryness, dullness and help you get tangle-free hair. Also, I would definitely recommend this serum because this has been such a great help for me. So I definitely recommend this, buy it and use it regularly and see amazing results. So So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can share this video with your friends who are facing the same problems as you. So until next time, I'm gonna see you very soon.